I'm going to remove the wheel, use a 19mm socket, take the lug nuts off. And remove the wheel. We're going to take this nut off for the upper part of the link. Use a 21mm socket. Just going to get it loose, and then the stud is spinning. So what you can do is take a 21mm wrench or 13/16 and a 10mm socket. Put that on the stud. You can take it off this way. And take that nut off. You can slide the link out. Just twist the wheel so there's a little room in the back, and just slide that. Now we're going to take the speed sensor wire off. You can just pop it off. You can use a trim tool to help if you want. And then down below here, using a trim tool, just pop that off and just leave this out of the way. Using a 24mm socket, we're going to take the nut off right here, and you can use a 21mm wrench on the bolt. Take that nut off, and then the lower one as well. Using a hammer, I'm going to hammer these out. Just be careful, this may drop a little bit. You just pull this out, set it to the side. You don't want the whole knuckle to pull too far out, so you might want to use a bungee cord and just secure that, or a tie strap. And just pull that out of the way, just so it doesn't fall. Under the hood, we're going to take these nuts off. Use a 15mm socket. Before I take the last one off completely, you're going to make sure you grab the strut underneath and slide the strut down and slide it out. Take the new strut assembly, slide it in between the brake hose and the axle, and then line it up top. Make sure you have one of the nuts in your hand so you can get that started, and you can let go, get the other nuts started. Now I can take that strap off. And raise the knuckle, get the bolt holes lined up, and get one of the bolts started. And get the other bolt started. Just give them a tap with the hammer. Put the nuts on. And tighten these down. Now I'm going to torque the nuts to 184 foot-pounds. Slide it in. If you need to, use a pry bar, then you can pry down. Now slide the wheel speed sensor bushings in and the little retainer. Put the nut on the link. Get that started. Now I'm going to use a 19mm wrench to prevent the stud from spinning and 22mm socket. Then I'm going to torque the nut to 111 foot-pounds. Now we can tighten the nuts down from above. Then I'm going to torque these nuts to 41 foot-pounds. After you've done this job, you want to make sure you bring the vehicle to a local shop to have it aligned so that you don't have premature tire wear. Now install the wheel. Put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.